We can also make some cocktails with brandy. And we'll start out with one of our most popular ones being a sidecar. So our sidecar is going to go into a cocktail glass. So we want to go and chill this down. Brandy we can treat just like any other spirit. Our sidecar, we're going to go in, it's going to be a shake and pour. Sorry, it's going to be a shake and strain. So we're going to take 1.5 ounces of brandy. I've got my brandy up here. 1.5 ounces of brandy. And 1/2 ounce of triple sec. So triple sec being our orange flavored liqueur, so think sweet citrus. So 1/2 ounce. We're going to add lemon juice. So 1 ounce of lemon in this case. So think of that lemon drop that we put together. Your main spirit in a lemon drop was vodka. With our sidecar, we're just switching it up to brandy. We're not going to put a sugar rim on here. So what I need to do is go and shake this up. Shaking that up, and I've got a strainer. Let's go, a strainer in order to dump my sidecar into my chilled cocktail glass. We're going to go and garnish that with, you can imagine, a lemon. So here we end up having a sidecar, a very tasty brandy cocktail.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.